on, Bill? That's Bogna. We're with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Of course, welcome back to Turtle Rock, and welcome back to 2022 BMW S1000RR. Bogna's on her lovely new 22 Panigale V4S, freshly serviced, so you guys can't complain about us revving up this thing. But stay tuned. We've got a big announcement coming. This is a pre-announcement. The 22 BMW S1000RR, you guys know, has got the titanium exhaust, but unfortunately, Leo Vinci only offers a carbon stainless steel exhaust until now. Leo Vinci has sent us, courtesy of Leo Vinci USA, a free Leo Vinci exhaust. So we are going to be giving away our carbon fiber Leo Vinci exhaust on Instagram, on So Tiny But Fierce's Instagram channel. So stay tuned. It's not coming immediately, but it's coming soon as we do the install video. So stay tuned for that. We're on a beat to heat schedule. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. It's already 80 plus degrees. It's going to be 104 degrees today. So we thought we'd get out and get on a good bonus ride for you guys out Lake Hennessy. You guys know this is our jam. So Bogna is going to be doing some 360 stuff. If you guys don't follow her, you got to follow her. So let's see how this goes out here on the back roads for a little bonus ride. Oh, little S1000R. Hey, buddy, where you going? She goes straight. I wanted to take the S1000R today, but I don't have a back tire on that thing. Well, I need a back tire on that thing. So if you guys aren't familiar with the bonus ride, we're going to be riding. Not much talking, jamming out to our little dirt pile and back. We just wanted to do a quick little rip today. And it's just, the weather's, it's heating up, 84 degrees already. But nice little morning ride. I remember when I was a youngin', I used to always get up at 7 o'clock in the morning and do the rides. That was like when you did rides, was early morning. Now it gradually gets later and later, but the roads are kind of clear. Get past this guy. This guy might be the only car we see. Thank you, sir. So let's get up here. Start our little jam on our little wheelie monster. I got new gearing for this thing. Stay tuned for that install video. And yeah, Leo Vinci USA reached out to me about the new titanium exhaust. And I said, you know what? I'm going to give my carbon fiber exhaust away. So make sure you follow So Tiny But Fierce. But let's get into this bonus ride out to the dirt pile. We'll get you an outro, but sit back, relax, enjoy the ride. Ever decide to wheelie when you're not straight, what happens? racing around for you guys. Give you guys a little up close and personal view of me. I feel like the bonus rides are better in the morning because I'm fresh, it's cool, I'm cool. Woo. Do our little dirt pile here. I kind of left Bogna. Sorry, babe. Woo. That was a good ride. Hopefully, I was trying to give you guys a little bit better perspective. I got this cool little swivel mount so I can swivel it around. But I thought I would give you a good perspective of me being able to move on the bike. I'm never sitting on the seat. I'm standing on the pegs the whole time I ride. So if you guys are wondering, how's he moving so quick? Yeah, like the heart. That thing's a blast to ride too. I really like it. We've got some mods coming for that. Maybe the V2's still in the shop. And hopefully we'll have some news for you guys about that. We've got the Ducati Revs event coming up after Moto America. It's Moto America weekend this weekend. So I'm going to get this to you guys pretty quickly. But, Bogna got big bug. Big buggy. Oh, and then she wiped it and smeared it, and now she can't see. That's probably what held her up. But, yeah, stay tuned. So Tiny But Fierce, Leo Vinci Exhaust. Hope you guys enjoyed the bonus ride. We've got a drag race between these two coming up in Mexico, so stay tuned. A fully modified S1000RR against the stock Ducati Panigale V4S. Who do you think's going to win? What, is that your prediction? She thinks that her stock Panigale, it's got new grips, but she thinks that it's going to win over this. You really? We haven't dynoed either. We haven't been able to dyno anything recently, but I don't know. This thing's got some This thing's got some after pull.
Especially with me on it.
With her, all right, so I think we should do it is we'll switch after and we'll see, because we never do that. So stay tuned, but thank you guys for sticking around. Again, Leo Vinci coming up. We've got gearing changing coming up. We'll talk about modifications on this soon. We'll be at Moto America in 2 weeks. We'll be at Rev's event in 2 weeks. So we've got some cool stuff going on. So thank you guys so much. Do the normal, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and then ring the bell notification. Bell notification is going to give you future notification of future content here on the channel. But make sure you head over to So Tiny But Fierce, and we'll see you guys over there. But thank you guys for sticking around. We'll see you next video. Bye, guys.